Hello, future officers. Have a very good morning and welcome to Exam Study. So, I'm back with Daily Current Affairs series, and if you didn't subscribe our channel Exam Study till now, then do subscribe and press the bell icon for regular update. If you want the PDF notes of these lectures, then you can join us on our Telegram group, that is Exam Study. I will give all the links of our pages, groups in the description box. Okay, so let's start today's session. IFFCO company is going to set up nano urea fertilizer plant in which two countries? Option 1, Argentina and Brazil. Option 2, Russia and Argentina. Option 3, Russia and Japan. And option 4, Nepal and India. Okay, so here the correct option is Argentina and Brazil. IFFCO company is going to set up nano urea fertilizer plant in Argentina and Brazil. Okay, now here you should know the abbreviation of IFFCO. Okay, and what is it? That is Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative. Okay, and the headquarter of IFFCO is in Delhi, New Delhi. Okay, and it was established on 3rd November 1967. Okay, so let's see once again. IFFCO is the abbreviation of Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperatives, and it headquartered in New Delhi, and it was established on 3rd November 1967, and its company is going to set up nano urea fertilizer plant in Argentina and Brazil. Okay, clear? Now move on to the next question. Which state government is going to set up transgender protection cell to protect the right of the transgender community? Okay, now here are the options. Option 1, Rajasthan state government. Option 2, Haryana state government. Option 3, Gujarat state government. Or option 4, Maharashtra state government. So here the correct option is option 1. Rajasthan state government is going to set up transgender protection cell to protect the right of the transgender community. Okay, here you should know about the Rajasthan, that the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, and let me know in the comment section who is the CM of Rajasthan at present. Okay, don't forget to comment. Let's see the next question. Which city in China did Tesla company set up the fast charging station? So which city in China did Tesla company set up the fast charging station? Okay, here are the options. Option 1, Beijing. Option 2, Lhasa. Option 3, Shanghai. And option 4, Hong Kong. Okay, so here the correct option is option 2, that is Lhasa. So Tesla company is going to set up the fast charging station in Lhasa. Okay, now you should know about Tesla company. It headquartered California, USA. Okay, and it was established on 1st July 2003. Okay, and at present the CEO, who is the CEO? Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla company. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India, that is also called CVC of India? Option 1 Sanjay Kothari, option 2 Suresh N Patel, option 3 Rajendra Kumar, option 4 S.N. Thakur. Okay, so we should know Suresh N Patel. Option 2 is the correct option. Suresh N Patel has been appointed as the Chief Vigilance Commissioner of India. Okay, and previously Sanjay Kothari was in that position. Who won Styrian Grand Prix 2021? Option was 1 Lewis Hamilton, option 2 Max Verstappen, option 3 Valtteri Bottas, and option 4 Sergio Perez. Okay, so here the correct option is option 2 Max Verstappen on Styrian Grand Prix 2021. Okay, let's see who is second and third. And you should know Max Verstappen is from which country? He is from Netherlands. Okay, let's see who is second here. So Lewis Hamilton is in the second position and he is from UK. And who is third? Third is Valtteri Bottas. He is in the third position and he is from Philippines. Okay, clear? Now move on to the next question. Who is the author of the book Fiercely Female, the Duti Chand story? Okay, option 1 Tapan Chaudhary, option 2 Sandeep Mishra, option 3 Chetan Bhagat, and option 4 Ratan Guha. Okay, so here the correct option is option 2 Sandeep Mishra. Okay, so Sandeep Mishra is the author of the book Fiercely Female, the Duti Chand story. Okay, let's see about Sandeep Mishra. He is a journalist and who is the publisher of the book? So the publisher of the book is Westland Books. Okay, now let's see the next question. Which is the most expensive city in the world for foreign workers? Okay, option 1 Tokyo, option 2 Hong Kong, option 3 Ashgabat, and option 4 Beirut. Okay, so here the correct option is option 3 Ashgabat. Okay, the most expensive city in the world for foreign workers. Okay, then let's see. Hong Kong is the second expensive city and Beirut, this is the Lebanon's capital, this is in the third rank. Okay, and if you talk about India, then Mumbai is the most expensive city in India, then Delhi in the and then Chennai. Okay, clear? Now move on to the next question. Which is the first rabies free state in the country? So which state is the first rabies free country state in India? Option 1 Goa, option 2 Maharashtra, option 3 Madhya Pradesh, and option 4 Karnataka. Okay, so here the correct option is option 1. So Goa is the first rabies free country rabies free state in the country, India. Okay, since here no cases since the last 3 years. Okay, and you should know the few statistics. The capital of Goa is Panaji. At present, the governor of Goa is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Okay, and the CM of Goa, who is Pramod Sawant. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Which union minister launched the website for Drug Free India campaign? Okay, let's see. Options are: option 1 Dharmendra Pradhan, option 2 Dr. Harshvardhan, option 3 Rajnath Singh, and option 4 Thawar Chand Gehlot. Okay, so here the correct option is option 4 Thawar Chand Gehlot, the Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, launched the website for Drug Free India campaign. Okay, let's see the next question. Which IIT created rapid antigen test kit for coronavirus? Okay, option 1 IIT Madras, option 2 IIT Kanpur, option 3 IIT Kharagpur, and option 4 IIT Delhi. Okay, so correct option is option 4. IIT Delhi created a rapid antigen test kit for coronavirus. Okay, and the price of the test kit is only 50 rupees. Okay, and the state kit is recognized by the ICMR. Okay, so these are top 10 current affairs for this day. Have a nice day and thank you. Thanks for watching the video.